Hi guys, today's book is called Tales from the Tracks and we are reading the story number 4. It is called Thomas and Percy the Dragon. Let's read it together. It is night. Percy is sleeping. He is thinking about the parade tomorrow. Percy hears a rumble. Something is coming. Percy opens his eyes. He sees a dragon. It is big and yellow and scary. Wow, that's a big dragon. Oh no, cries Percy. He shuts his eyes tight. The rumble fades. Percy peeks. The dragon is running away. The next day, Percy rushes into the station. I saw a dragon last night, he says. Scared little Percy, teases James. You are off your tracks. James chugs off. Beep, beep, beep. You just had a bad dream. Dragons are not real, says Edward. Percy sees Thomas. There is something behind him. It is big and yellow and scary. Watch out, Thomas, shouts Percy. There is a dragon chasing you. Silly Percy, laughs Thomas. This dragon will not eat you. It's a paper dragon for the parade. Later, Thomas and Percy stop to watch the parade. There is Sir Topham Hatt. Next comes a band. Here comes the dragon, says Thomas. He is not so scary anymore, says Percy. You were brave to tell me about it, says Thomas. It is good to tell someone, says Percy. What a nice story. Thank you guys for reading with me. The next story we will read is named Henry and the Elephant. See you all next time. Bye-bye.